what is an analogy? And here you have an analogy consists of a pair of words, numbers, or concepts with a particular relationship to each other. Between the members of each pair is the colon / the ratio sign that means is to. In solving this type of question, you are to identify the relationship, then use it to select the best option to complete the second pair. Take, for example, beaver, log, and this one it says spider, web. Now the answer says that web, the answer is web because a beaver's home is known as a lodge. Therefore, web would be the answer as the home of a spider is its web. So an analogy is technically comparing the relationship of one pair to another pair. So right here, the relationship is that this creature uses this particular place as its home. So the second pair, you'd complete it by identifying the home of the beaver. In all cases, it's not this simple. Sometimes they are very complex ones, but if you pay keen attention and if you can identify patterns, it will be easy as 1, 2, 3. So I picked out a few, 3 to be exact, and I'd like for you guys to make an attempt at them. But just to go over, in order to solve an analogy, you have to first identify the relationship between the two items in the first pair. Whenever you've identified that relationship, then to complete the other one, you will apply the rule of the first pair in order to select the best option. All right, so 3 questions. I'm going to give you 3 minutes starting now. Begin. You'll hear when the, let me share the sound so you'll hear when the clock goes off. All right, so the first one, it has biped and quadruped. Then it has ostrich. Let me see what we have in the chat here. I see kangaroo, cat, duck. All right. Do you guys know what a quadruped is? That's the first thing. Do you know what a quadruped is? And do you know what a biped?
4 legs.
Ah, and a biped is an animal with 2 legs. So for biped, did you realize that, hey, not gonna give away any answer. Just gonna move on to the next one. It says lions, pride. What's the relationship between lions and pride?
Pride is the name of a group of lions.
Thank you very much. So which of the options would best fit the relationship that's between a lion and a lion, between lions and pride?
B.
Yes. All right, fine. So it has melt, liquid, freeze.
That's solid.
Mm-hmm. All right, so let us see what the answers are. For number 1, one where you have quadruped and biped, it says the answer is cat. The explanation is biped is an animal that uses 2 legs for walking, and a quadruped and the quadrupeds are animals that use 4 legs for walking. From the given options, cat only have 4 legs, or has 4 legs, sorry. So seeing that an ostrich has 2, the best option would be cat, seeing that it's the only creature there with 4 legs. For B, where we had lions to pride, now the explanation for this one says that the pride is used to refer to a group of lions. Thus, B is the correct answer, as a group of birds is referred to as a flock. The next one where we had melt is to liquid. It says here the relation is in the given words is first is the process of the formation of the second. That is when anything melts, it forms liquid. Similarly, when anything freezes, it forms solid. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.